Hello everyone, this is our session 2 of chapter 1. In session 1 of chapter 1, we'll learn what the different numbering systems in which we'll learn binary, decimal, hexadecimal, and last one, that is octal, okay, and their basis. Okay, now in this session we are going to learn what the conversion, how to convert given number. Okay, so the first conversion, it is in between decimal and binary. That means we have to convert decimal number to binary conversion. Okay, so let's see first what is decimal and binary. Actually, these are numbering systems. Okay, the base of decimal is 10 because it represents 10 different values, and these are 0 to 9. And what about binary? The base of binary, it's in name, that is 2. It represents two possible values, these are 0 and 1. Okay, and we have a small example, it is of conversion, that is number decimal, and we have to convert that decimal number to binary. So that number is 18, and which we have to display in form of what, a binary. So here we have a binary of 18. So what are the steps to convert given number to binary, given decimal number to binary? We have to use a given number as a dividend. And what about the divisor? We have to use a base of binary as a divisor. Okay, that means you want to convert any particular number in another numbering system, then we have to use what, the base of that numbering system in which you are going to convert. So here we are going to convert decimal to binary. So what will be the divisor? 2. This divisor will be common for what, the dividend. Okay, and for every step a dividend will be changed, and we have to use here a quotient, okay, of dividend as what number to divide it again. Okay, in this process we have to continue till dividend does not become 0 or 1. Okay, till does not become 1 or 0. If it is 1 or 0, then we have to stop what, dividing dividend by divisor. Okay, so let's see how to divide, okay, dividend by divisor. Okay, here dividend is 18, we have to divide with 2, and it is a base of binary, and it will be common for all dividend. Okay, so 18 divided by 2, what will be the quotient? The quotient is 9, and it is not 0 or 1. And what about the remainder? It is 0. Here we got a first binary digit. Okay, now again we have to divide to this quotient with 2. Okay, so what is 2? It is divisor. What is 9? It is dividend. Okay, 9 divided by 2, what will be the quotient? It is 4. And what will be the remainder? It is 1. So here we got a second digit of binary for 18. Okay, so 4 is not equal to 0, not equal to 1. So again divide to this dividend, okay, by 2 as a divisor. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to, what will be the quotient? Quotient is 2. What will be the remainder? That is 0. Okay, here we got a third digit from right side for 18. Okay, and what is the quotient? It is 2. That means 2 is not equal to 0, also not equal to 1. That means still we can divide with a base of binary, and that is 2. 2 divided by 2, what will be the quotient? That is 1. What will be the remainder? It is 0. You can see here we got a last digit of binary. What is that? 1. And this is less than what, 2. That means it is equal to what, or this is what our last binary digit. Okay, here again we cannot divide because this number or this binary digit or this quotient is less than what, 2. Okay, so when you will divide it, you will get what, a float value. So don't divide here, you have to stop what, the division work or division operation. Okay, understand? Now here we have what, the binary of given number. Okay, and this is binary of which given number? This is binary of 18 given number, that is 0 1 0 0 1. here we have a small table in which decimal numbers are given, okay, and their corresponding binary numbers are also represented, okay, and the steps are given by using what the power of 2 notations are given in last column. So let's see the binary of 0 to 10. Here is the binary of 0, that is 0, okay, binary of 1, that is 1, binary of 2, 1, 0, that means 0, 1. We have to read what the binary from right side, okay, that is very important. The next binary of 3, it is 1, 1, binary of 4, it is 0, 0, 1, binary of 5, it is 1, 0, 1, binary of 6, it is 0, 1, 1, okay, until binary of 10 is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary of order 10, okay, and here the notations are given using order power, okay, or using base, and using what a base of what a binary, okay, understand. And one rule, you know that the binary index, power index for binary, not only for a binary, for other numbers, power index always begins with 0, okay, and notation will be common for all, okay, understand, that is 2. Then our next point is binary to decimal conversion. In this point we are going to learn how to convert binary to decimal. In last point we used a divide sign of arithmetic operator to convert a decimal to binary. In this point we are going to use a multiplication sign to convert binary to decimal. So here we have a small example of what a binary to decimal conversion. We have to convert this binary number to decimal. That binary number is a 01001, which we have to convert to decimal. So let's see first how to convert this binary number to decimal. Here we have to start to calculate what a multiplication with all digits from right side, that means 0 into 2, okay, and one important thing, here we have to assign what a power to base of binary, which we are going to use as a multiplication, or which we are going to use to multiply with all digits of binary, and what will be the initial power of base, that is 0, that means 0 into 2 raised to 0. This is the initial power index, that means always power index will begin with the 0, okay, then it will increase with the 1 for all level, okay. The what is first binary digit, that is 0, 0 into 2 raised to 0, what will be the answer? 0. How? Because value of 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 1 into 0, what will be the answer? 0. Then 1 into 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 1 means it is equal to 2, 2 into 1, that is 2, okay. Then 0 into 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 0, what will be the answer? 0. 0 into 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, it is equal to 8, 8 into 0, that is equal to 0. Then 1 into 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16, 16 into 1 is equal to 16, okay. So at the end we have to calculate what the addition of all these decimal numbers, you will get the exact decimal number, okay. That means this is binary of which decimal number? This is binary of 18 decimal number. We have one more example. You can see here we have a binary of another number. What is that? 10101110. We have to follow the same method which we followed to calculate binary of 01001. That means you can calculate a binary of, or you can calculate decimal number of given binary using this method also, okay. In this method you have to arrange what the given binary, okay, in this way, and you have to start to increase what a power index from right to left, okay. And what is the initial power index? that is 0. That means it will begin with a 0, and for every stage it will increase with a 1, and at the end we have to calculate the addition, have to calculate the power of what, the base, and multiplication. That means after solving what these brackets, we have to calculate the addition of decimal numbers to get the exact decimal number. And what is that? It is 53. This means 1010110. This is binary of which decimal number? This is binary of 53 decimal number. Okay, now this is one activity which you have to solve. Now first 278, this number you have to convert to binary. Then 101101, this number you have to convert to decimal. Then 49, this number you have to turn to binary. 00101, this number you have to convert to decimal. And 187, this number you have to convert to binary. This is your today's activity. You have to solve it.